Welcome back learners. In the session number 3, same session, project guidance using CSV and Python for beginners. Last two sessions we discussed how to create the CSV file using IDLE, and we discussed how to add multiple rows using a write row function. Now this session we will learn how to ask user to enter the values, and based on their value we will enter the data in CSV file. So without wasting time, let us start. Now adding rows with user input. This is the session number 3. Same we will do. We will start our IDLE, then we will go to the file option and we will open new file, and here we will type all our coding. Now already you have learned in 11th class and 12th classes that how to get input using IDLE. We need a input. If it is an integer, then we have to declare integer. If it is decimal, we have to declare float. If it is string, no need to declare any integer or float. Directly we can take input. So let us see. So now you can see in the same mode which we discussed in the last session, the mode A, append mode, right? The same thing, import CSV as we are doing every time. We are opening the file example.csv in append mode, and the new line will be always empty as a file, and finally the writer using csv.writer function. Now you can see in this first line I am asking, I had declared a variable called as a ID and I want an integer value. Then I am asking user to enter integer value here with the help of input. Generally whatever you are doing with your IDLE. So here I am asking enter teacher's ID, then name is a string value, so there is no data type declaration is required. Simply you can type input and you can get it enter teacher name here. Then this school value I have set it by default. Here you can see it is JNV Puducherry, so it is set it by default by me. If you want, you can ask user to enter his or her school name. Then there is a variable designation, that is also I am asking enter teacher designation here, and finally all the four values which I want to enter in my CSV file, I ask to user to type in a IDLE window. Now you can see finally at the last moment only we are going to apply the function write row function, and all this variable, you can see this variable, right, whatever variable declared by me, the same all the variable I am going to put here to get input in write row function. Now once all the variable what you have declared here, okay, inside the square bracket, you can run your program by clicking F5 button and you can check your output. So when you will run your program, you can see the IDLE window will display you all these messages. First message is it will display enter teacher's ID, second message teacher name, and the last message enter teacher designation. So let us see. Now you can see the program is in a running stage. Now it is asking enter teacher ID, enter teacher name, and enter teacher designation, 3 input what we want from user side, and the school name which we have already set it by default as a JNV Puducherry. Now you can see after writing the last entry, the user can hit enter and all the data will be directly go and save in the CSV file. Let's check out. Now you can see this data which I recently entered, I got it here. I got it the data here which I recently entered. So in this way you can easily ask user to enter your value, and a good programmer will always provide the correct choices to the user to input the data and store in a CSV file or extract the data from CSV file. So I hope you have understood all this thing, you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.